Welcome to Matrix Velocity. What is unique about our product, not just being a software ERP system, but the fact that it resides on the Salesforce.com platform within the actual Salesforce CRM product. So what we did is very uniquely enhanced the CRM through accounts and contacts, opportunities, and quotes, as well as the standard product object. So we've extended all these features within Salesforce to create a full cycle ERP system from your contact relationship management aspect of Salesforce all the way through sales orders, the order fulfillment, creating purchase orders, being able to track the assets that were sold to that customer, from a service and repair system, enhancing the Salesforce case tool, into a full-blown service and repair with maintenance contracts, serial number tracking, as well as service levels, whether it's billable or non-billable type of service call, by a line item basis, and always looking back to the account object in Salesforce to see what the customer actually owns. So from there, if you store inventory, we have multiple inventory locations that allows you to create pick tickets from any inventory location that you've created. You can have multiple pick tickets. If you buy product from a third-party supplier, from the sales order, you can go out and create purchase orders from the actual sales orders. In fact, with Matrix, when we move a sales order through fulfillment, not only can we create pick tickets, but we can also create purchase orders against that same order flow and track everything from the pick tickets being shipped to the purchase orders being drop shipped to the actual customer. We have full shipping. You have UPS, USPS, FedEx, even LTL, FTL, DHL, and other carriers within Matrix. We have the ability to have full accounting, whether that's QuickBooks or other accounting systems. We have connectors that can have Matrix drive your total financials. So we've got everything with one database and one login. So that means that you're logging into Salesforce and you've got everything you need. Now you can start off with just simply Salesforce and Matrix, do your orders, fulfill your orders through pick tickets and purchase orders, and even create a Matrix invoice, and then turn around and enter those into or download and upload reports via Excel into your financial systems. So you can start real simple. Now from there, what we've done beyond just a order fulfillment and inventory management system is we've allowed you to come in and create standing orders and automated orders. Automated orders is more of a scheduled order. So that means I can go in and create orders that will automatically commit themselves to be fulfilled, again, whether that be via a pick ticket or purchase order. The standing orders for large project rollouts, and that is where a customer will commit to a large volume of different products over a period of time, and you can fulfill and create matrix orders from a standing order, and it will track what was committed to and what has been fulfilled and what is left. Very nice feature. We also have credit memos. Credit memos can be generated not just from invoices, but from RMAs. We have a return merchandise system, authorization system, that not only connects to purchase orders and invoices, but also the case tool and even the accounts assets as well. Our RMA system just got a new facelift. It is incredible. This system allows you to change the disposition on a line item basis, whether that's return to customer repaired, return back to customer missing parts or damaged. It could even be we're taking it back and issuing credits against the account on items that were misshipped, wrongly shipped, DOAs, all of that. So not only can I track the returns for my customer, but I can also turn around and track that same return back to my supplier to make sure that I too receive the appropriate credit. So that is Matrix off the shelf. Now, 2 years ago, we added what is called manufacturing. Yes, manufacturing. It's part of Matrix. Standard feature in Matrix. Standard features in Matrix are manufacturing, orders, order fulfillment, RMAs. The add-ins are the shipping and accounting, and that's it. So for a very inexpensive, very competitive price of anywhere from $65 all the way down to $40 per user per month, you get everything that you need. And again, to be clear, you have to add in the shipping tool and add in the accounting tool if desired. Now from here, this is our manufacturing piece. So we support bill of material, manufacturing orders, we stage orders, we have assembly processes, inventory locations for raw material, and even RMAs, once again, reaches into manufacturing. So we do support multi-level bill of materials within manufacturing. And going back to the sales order, if I sell a finished goods product that came from a bill of material at the sales order and I'm out, I can actually create a manufacturing order from a sales order automatically and pull the two together and track it. So when you look at Matrix Velocity, this is an extremely powerful tool that will run your business, whether you're a very small business, mid-cap, or a large business. We're going to take care of you. We have everybody in our vision here of Matrix from a user standpoint that are anywhere from, well, 2 users all the way up to unlimited users. And some of the unlimited are very big names that are using Matrix Velocity to run divisions within their conglomerate organizations. And they love Matrix. They love what it does. So just a quick periphery of the overall system. So at the customer account level, we have information in here such as terms and conditions as well as sales tax. And we do work with some of the larger sales tax systems. We also have the asset list that I was referring to. This asset list not only tracks the product and serial number, but these are all the products and services that I've sold this customer. We do track lot IDs, expiration, we do both, and we do lot recall management as well. We know what purchase order we bought that product on, the order that we fulfilled on, and any standard manufacturing warranties. So this is the asset list. And this is really important because every product that's sold becomes an asset, and every product that we service comes from this asset list. And again, the rest is just basically Salesforce. We have quotes, we have the matrix order, all of our activities, just a lot of information at that list. So I'm going to go into an order that was already created. Now, this order has line items. It's in a committed status. And I'm going to take you down to the financial piece. So we do track profitability, what the list price was, the sale price, your profitability, all the way through at the order level, the type of freight that we're going, If we did ship it, it tracks the shipping number at that level. And then we have the products and services that are on here. So what Matrix does is we have a unique feature for product that we call non-inventory. And the non-inventory items are things like managed services, maintenance contracts, just even labor that we can add onto the order. Promotions, coupons, whatever you would like to do. So along with that, we also track the history of this particular item for this customer. So we know the last time this customer ordered, the quantity, and of course, the price that we sold these products for. If I wanted to add more line items, I would just simply click Save and Add. Now, these price books are quite unique in Matrix. They mirror the Salesforce price book, but they bring in additional functionality, such as cost of goods editing. In my cost of goods, I can actually change my cost of goods for this one line item, for this one deal, or even go in and say, update my cost of goods at the product level. So I've got all that capability along with seeing what do I have in stock and at what location. So I can have different locations throughout the country or world for that matter. And I know as a sales rep what I have available to sell my customer, and of course what's been allocated to orders that are in process as well. So all of that is at the Matrix price book level. Now Matrix price books come in a feature set that are quite advanced. I can go into Matrix price books and set pricing, I can set uplifts, I can set discounts, I can create multiple price books, one for each customer with just a couple clicks, and change pricing throughout the price book very simply. And price books are always a challenge and have always been a point of contention throughout the history of any system. So we've overcame a lot of the issues that people go through at the price book level. In fact, you can have a couple 100,000 or more line items in a price book. Right now I have a standard uplift of 40%, where 100% is standard price, and 40% means I'm going to up that 3,500 by 40% to 4,900. I have estimated delivery days, and I also have vendor-based price books. So as you can see here, my default vendors are set up by line item levels, and there's an incredible material requirements at the product level, and of course MRP in manufacturing too, that will give you the vendors for the different products and the lead time for delivery. So Matrix is really in depth, but as you can see here, I can sync this price book with standard prices, I can clear them, I can set standard prices, I can just do a multitude of different features here in a price book or in all the price books at once. So whatever I'd like to do, well, I can do in price books now. I can even upload price books from our suppliers and set prices specific to customers as well. So I wanted to show you that primary feature in our location area here. What I'd like to show you here is all of the inventory that we have. So you got available, allocated, on order, on hand. In quarantine has everything to do with RMAs. We can go over to the actual, what we call the I&M record, and we can make inventory adjustments. And our inventory adjustment feature is getting better and better, and we're on release 10 now, which has really some great features for you to help run your organization. So without going into great detail and making this video longer than what it is, the best thing you can do is to reach out to us and schedule a demo. And we call them discovery demos or disco demos. Most important thing for us is to make sure that we fit your requirements. The one thing that we pride ourselves in is the ability to say we're not a good fit. So frankly, we're not high pressure. We're very consultative in our approach to you, and we can take you through a lot of the details through Matrix. So thank you for watching our video. Hope to have you join the Matrix family. We have many companies throughout the globe using Matrix Velocity. So we're not just North America based, we are a fully international company. So again, thank you for watching. Hope to have you become one of our